Welcome to Learn Natural English Idioms and Metaphors. Today we are looking at sing like a canary. To sing like a canary means to tell the police everything you know about a crime you were involved in. Or to sing like a canary means to tell the authorities everything you know. To sing like a canary is a positive term when used by authorities, but of course, a negative term when used by criminals. Let's look at some examples. After the bank robbery, police arrested the driver. He soon sang like a canary. They arrested everyone else within 3 days. The police promised the drug dealer a lighter sentence if he told them who his supplier was. So he sang like a canary. The headmaster called each child in one by one, and eventually one child sang like a canary and told him exactly how they broke the school computer. Here are some questions for you. Can you think of a crime movie where the criminals are caught because one of them sang like a canary? When you were a child, if your teacher caught you and your friends doing something wrong, would you sing like a canary? Thanks for joining us today. Good luck with your English studies, and we'll see you again.